Welcome to Learning Dutch with Makie IA. My name is Makie. Today, you'll learn 20 essential Dutch words to make your first sentences in just 3 minutes. Let's go. Ik. Jij. Je. U. Hij. Zij. Ze. Het. Wij. We. Jullie. Zij. Ze. Zijn. Hebben. Gaan. Komen. Doen. Ja. Nee. Hallo. Doei. Alsjeblieft. Dank u. Ik ben Makie. Jij hebt koffie. Wij gaan. Hij komt. Hallo, ik ben Tom. Dank u. Hallo, ik ben Sarah. Ik ben Leo. Dank u. Alsjeblieft. Wij gaan. Ik doe het. You now know 20 useful Dutch words and your first real sentences. How do you say thank you in Dutch? If you did to know, it's okay. Just watch the video again. Subscribe now and start your Dutch adventure today. And don't forget to write in the comments the word or sentence you like the most in this lesson. I love seeing what catches your attention. See you in the next video.